My name is Jerry Burns. I'm the Automotive Technology Program Chair here at Des Moines Area Community College. It's been our pleasure to host Carl Summer Nights this summer. We're going to head on in and show you around the Automotive Technology Center here at DMACC. Here in the showroom is where we house many of our newer donated vehicles, as well as some of our fancier vehicles that we use in many of our recruiting events. We want students to be able to have that real dealership atmosphere, so this showroom really helps to add that experience. Most of the students will spend the majority of their time out here in the lab practicing the material that we cover in class. We have room to be able to bring 85 vehicles in at one point in time for students to be able to work on. So as you can see, with all of the lab space that we have out here, really allows the students that opportunity to get the hands-on experience that they need to be successful. With more and more electric vehicles on the market, we incorporate the latest in hybrid and electric vehicle technology into our curriculum. This is our current group of DMACC students. They're about halfway through the program. They're all working at GM dealers all across the state of Iowa. They're going to be leaving in October to go to their third and fourth internships, and will graduate in May.
My name's Seth Ante. I'm in the DMACC program. I'm an employee of Carl Chevrolet. They sponsored my internship here. They teach you basically everything that you need to know about GM engines. There's a fuels class where they teach you all about the fuel systems. There's the transmissions classes where you tear down a lot of the different GM transmissions and rebuild them. In this program, there's an internship. So when you come out of the program and you have a really good relationship with that dealership, they will either offer you a job or they can give you really great recommendations.
I didn't know too much about cars other than general maintenance, but where I'm at now, I feel very comfortable doing a lot of things, tearing engines out, working on transmissions, doing anything with coolant work.
We want to make sure that students do have that dealership experience, so we do have a parts department here where students will come up and order parts for the vehicles that they're working on. We have a variety of classrooms here in the building that we use not only for their automotive technology classes, but also for their academic classes. This is our GM Training Center. This would be where GM dealership technicians from all across the United States come to be able to get their update training. It's been our pleasure to host Summer Nights here at DMACC this summer. Thank you for coming out and seeing all the things that we do here in the automotive program. For more information or how to enroll, please visit our website at dmac.edu.